Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have t square minus t cubed is equals to t, and we solve this problem for the values of t. So here first we need to rewrite this equation as in this form. So here we have this is t square minus t cubed is equals to, this is 2, and we write this 2 as 1 plus 1. We know that 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the left hand side you see here our both of these terms are involved square and cubed. So first we need to convert these two values into the square or cubed form. So we can write this term as 1 square and this term as 1 cubed. We know that the square of 1 is also 1 and the cube of 1 is also equals to 1. So we need to move these two values in the left hand side, and we make the pair of a square term with the square term, and we make the pair of cubic term with cubic term. So here you have this is minus t cubed, and when we move this plus 1 cubed in the left hand side, this will also becomes minus 1 cubed, and we take common negative sign from both of these values, and we get here t cubed plus 1 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need to use the nice two algebraic formulas. The here first we can apply this formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and from here we apply this cubic formula. You know that if we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So here we need these two formulas to solve the above equation, so that our above equation is implies that first we apply this formula and we write t square minus 1 square as t minus 1 times of t plus 1, and from here we can apply this cubic formula, and it will be written as, first you have a plus b, and it will be written as t plus 1 times of a square minus ab plus b square. So here our a becomes t square minus ab. So again a is t and b is 1 plus b square, so b is 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now you see here in both of these terms we have t plus 1 with a common term. So when you take common t plus 1 from here, we get the remaining values are here we get t minus 1, and when you take common this term we get here this term only. So here we have this is negative sign, and we multiply this negative sign on each of these values, and it will be written as this will becomes minus t square, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus t, and this is minus times of minus becomes minus 1, and 1 square is also equals to 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is t plus 1 times of here we have this is minus t square, and this is t plus t becomes here 2t, this is minus 1 equals to minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and now first we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t plus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we write minus t square plus 2t minus 2 is equals to 0. And now from first case we easily get the value of t is equals to minus 1. So this is our first real root of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So now first we multiplying on both of the sides by minus 1. So when we multiply both of the sides by minus 1, it will be written as t square minus 2t, and this will becomes plus 2, and this whole equation equals to 0. So this equation will becomes a quadratic equation in t variable, and here we can apply the quadratic formula in order to find the roots of this equation. So for this first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c is equals to 2, and we state the quadratic formula as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now we put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as first you have the value of b is -2. When we put it here, it will becomes minus times of -2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is -2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t is equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 2 and plus minus square root of, this is -2 square, -2 square becomes 4 minus, this will becomes 4 times of t, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now you see here from inside the square root sign we have 4 be the common term, so that when we will take common 4 and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 2, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t is equals to 2 plus minus, here we know that square root of 4 is equals to 2, and here 1 minus 2 is equals to square root of -1, and it is divided by 2. And this is equals to 2 plus minus 2 times of, here we know that square root of -1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. And now here we need to break this fraction, and we can apply these two separately on both of these values, and it will be written as t is equals to 2 over 2 plus minus 2 iota divided by 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here 1 plus minus, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here iota. So finally we have the three roots of the given equation are, first root is t1 equals to -1, second root t2 equals to, we write the positive value, it is 1 plus iota, and the third root is t3 equals to 1 minus iota. So these are the final three roots of the given equation. And I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.